High cholesterol is often called a silent killer. You can't feel it, but it raises your risk of heart attack and stroke. The good news? With the right lifestyle changes, you can bring your numbers down and protect your heart. Today, let's go through the high cholesterol power plan. Cholesterol isn't all bad. In fact, your body needs it to build cells and hormones. But too much of the wrong kind, called LDL or bad cholesterol, can clog your arteries. Meanwhile, HDL or good cholesterol helps clear that buildup away. The goal is simple: lower the LDL, raise the HDL. Your plate is the most powerful tool for lowering cholesterol. Eat more fiber-rich foods like oats, beans, apples, and leafy greens. Fiber helps sweep cholesterol out of your body. Add healthy fats from nuts, seeds, avocado, and olive oil. Cut back on trans fats and limit fried foods, processed snacks, and fatty meats. Try adding omega-3 rich foods like salmon, tuna, or flax seeds to support heart health. Exercise is like medicine for cholesterol. At just 30 minutes of moderate activity a day, walking, swimming, or cycling can raise your good cholesterol and lower the bad. And here's a bonus: regular movement also helps control weight and blood pressure. Beyond food and exercise, small lifestyle changes make a big difference. Quit smoking. It immediately boosts good cholesterol. Limit alcohol. Too much raises cholesterol and triglycerides. Prioritize sleep and stress control, because stress hormones can affect heart health. Sometimes lifestyle changes aren't enough on their own. Your doctor might recommend medication if your numbers stay high. Remember, combining medical treatment with healthy habits is the most effective plan. So, the high cholesterol power plan is simple. Eat smart, move daily, reset your lifestyle, and work with your doctor. Small changes add up to big protection for your heart. If you want me to create a step-by-step 7-day cholesterol-friendly meal plan, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips that actually work.